Based on World Health Organization or WHO 2016, stroke is the second largest cause of death in the world. Stroke is a condition where there is disruption or reduced blood supply to the brain due to blockade or rupture of blood vessels. Stroke can cause permanent disability that affects the quality of life, and good management with rehabilitation is needed to restore the patient's physical ability even though it is not completely back to normal.
From the data of World Organization on 2017, the prevalence of stroke in the world is 17 million. And from the data of National Basic Health Research in Indonesia on 2018, there are 2,120,362 stroke patients in Indonesia.
And what is the Blue Stopper? The Blue Stopper design is the latest innovation in the field of medical rehabilitation therapy. The working principle of this tool is that it can help the movement of the paralyzed hand motor and stimulate the muscles and nerves by doing the opening and closing movements of the hands automatically. Blue Stopper is a simple medical rehabilitation tool that can be used by anyone. This tool consists of 3D print handset, Bluetooth, servomotor, flex sensor, Arduino, and shield. This tool is equipped with a sensor and Bluetooth which is placed in a glove. And the next is degrees of muscle strength. There are 5 degrees of muscle strength. In level 5, can be done voluntary movements against the force of the earth and with full restraint, or also called normal. On level 4, volunteer movements can still be done with moderate restraint. In level 3, if voluntary movements against the force of the earth can be carried out fully but without restraint. In level 2, move unable to resist the Earth's gravitational force. In level 1, if there is a slight contraction but unable to move. In 0 level, if there is no muscle contraction in an attempt to volunteer or can be said to be paralyzed. The next is benefits of Blue Stopper. Benefits number 1, it can rehabilitate people with muscles contraction weakness up to 0 degree, especially the finger muscles and post-stroke patients who are unable to move their fingers. The benefits number 2 is for current COVID-19 pandemic condition is that it can rehabilitate the patient's finger muscles at home and can independent without having to go to the hospital, who is at risk of being able to contract the COVID-19 virus both from the environment and from patients at hospital. And benefit number 3, you can save cost of going to the hospital.
Tools and function also manufacture of product. White glove as a tool to move the 3D print handset used by stroke patient. 5 pieces flex sensor on white glove as finger-by-finger motion sensors. 2 pieces Bluetooth as a connector and send motion signals. Arduino Uno and Shield series. 5 pieces servomotors in the 3D print handset as a means of moving finger by finger. Power bank as a source of driving energy. 3D print handset used for stroke patient.
Procedure. First, connect the power bank to the 3D print handset and white glove to turn on the appliance. Second, waiting for Bluetooth to connect with each other is indicated by a red sign. Third, move the fingers on the white glove. 4. Flex sensor will send a motion signal to Arduino in white glove to Arduino 3D print handset via Bluetooth. 5. After the Arduino 3D print handset receives the signal, Arduino commands the servomotor to move the finger according to the flex sensor finger movement on the white glove.
Blue Stopper is a medical rehabilitation tool used by stroke patients. This tool can help patients carry out daily activity with the help of a Bluetooth sensor. This tool can move automatically. The advantage are can move finger by finger, can use anywhere, can be used by patients up to grade 0 or plague, all save cost and trip to the hospital.